can spare 1,000 every month, and you're wondering which digital platform to put your money in. This video is for you. Come closer. Let's get to find out which platform makes more sense to your financial goals. That is Ziidi and Ziidi Trader. By the end of this video, you will know which product aligns with your financial goals and perhaps which one you should consider putting your money in. And if you've not started your investment journey, this might be your wake-up call. So make sure you stick to the end. Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. JC is my name, and this is the Money and Growth Circle, where we are working towards financial peace and ultimately financial freedom. If this is your kind of content, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that every time we have a new upload, you get an alert. So let's first understand how these products work. Ziidi has two investment options. Number one, the money market fund product, and number two, the Ziidi Trader that allows you to trade in stocks in the Nairobi Securities Exchange straight from your phone without the need of opening a CDS account. So the first thing we need to ask ourselves is that what do we want this 1,000 to do for you? Do you need liquidity, capital preservation, income, long-term growth, diversification, or you're just trying to learn investment? Today we are going to look at the returns, fees, hidden charges, risk, liquidity, minimum investment, and competitive advantage. And by the end of the video, you should know who should choose Ziidi, Ziidi Trader, and why. Let's start with Ziidi. Ziidi is a money market fund, and the minimum investment is 100 shillings, and it is managed on the Safaricom M-PESA app. Deposits and withdrawal fees are free. I remember there is a heated debate some time back when the other providers were complaining that they are charged. I don't know how it ended. In case you do, let me know in the comment section. The money in your Ziidi account is managed by fund managers to be able to give you returns. The Safaricom platform gives the digital infrastructure. Ziidi Trader is a digital platform, again under the M-PESA infrastructure, and it allows you to invest in the Nairobi Securities Exchange by buying shares directly. The Ziidi Trader allows you to avoid the hassle of opening a CDS account, and you do your trading on the platform. You can be able to track all your transactions just like if you used a broker, okay? And the only slight difference is that I'm yet to understand or to get communication from Kestrel, who are the brokers managing the Ziidi Trader, to just get to understand if I need guidance in buying stocks, how do I contact them? Because like for the CDS account, you have your broker. You can decide to buy stocks yourself or use your broker to buy stocks. In case you've been able to figure out how to get support from Kestrel as you use the Ziidi Trader app, let me know in the comment section. So let's see the competitive advantage of each of these investment options. Ziidi gives you simplicity. You already have an M-PESA account, so you just need to activate the Ziidi platform. No paperwork, no nothing. And remember, accessibility creates action. And it gives you a better advantage because you're not charged to deposit or withdraw. When it comes to returns, that's where it goes a bit low, sometimes as low as below 6%. But if you're looking at convenience, then Ziidi is better than if you're failing to keep up with another option which is giving you better returns. So another big advantage is there are no investment charges. You're not charged to deposit or withdraw. So who should invest in Ziidi? A beginner, when you're building your emergency fund, when you're creating your sinking fund. Actually, I use it for sinking fund. When you're saving for a short-term goal, when you're struggling with consistency, it's on your phone. You don't feel the pinch of depositing small amounts. You're comfortable depositing, so it helps you keep consistency, and it helps you feel the convenience of depositing your money anywhere, anytime, at no cost. The foundation of the Ziidi product is simplicity, capital preservation, liquidity, and investment discipline. Now let's get to Ziidi Trader. They are different products because they are not competing. They can only complement each other but not compete. As the Ziidi product gives you money market fund, and the Ziidi Trader allows you to trade in the Nairobi Securities Exchange using the platform. And like I have rightly said, the two don't compete, and therefore you should not get tempted to put your emergency fund in the Ziidi Trader. Your emergency fund should always go to the Ziidi option. The returns you get from the Ziidi Trader is either capital gains as the shares appreciate, or dividends when the companies that you have bought declare profits and decide to give out dividends. Unlike Ziidi product, Ziidi Trader has some fees and charges. One important difference you need to appreciate is that the Ziidi product gives you returns. They may be low, but they give you some returns. But when it comes to Ziidi Trader, your investment can depreciate or appreciate depending on the market. So here are other additional charges that Ziidi Trader can levy on you: the transaction costs, the spread, potential taxes and levies, the opportunity of making a bad decision by buying the shares that end up depreciating and not appreciating maybe in a long time. The platform gives you convenience, but you still have to make the decision. And like I said, they don't give you an option that like you get when it comes to investing using a broker by seeking the assistance of a broker to guide you on the stocks you should invest in. Who should consider investing in Ziidi Trader? Someone who understands the stock market, someone who already has an emergency fund, someone who is willing and able to analyze different companies before they invest in them. You understand share fluctuations, and you're interested in dividends and capital gains. You should not put money for the following budget items in Ziidi Trader: emergency fund, housing fund, school fees, and money you need in 6 months. Ziidi gives you growth and ownership. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly consider subscribing. If you're returning, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. See you on the next one. Bye.